The 50th Conference and Annual General Assembly of the Africa Insurance Organization, which is currently taking place in Windhoek, comprises over 1,400 delegates and speakers from 75 different countries across the continent under the theme Coping with the Rising Number in Natural Catastrophes Across Africa. Speaking at the opening ceremony, the Sanlam CEO Tertius Stears said that the objective of the conference is emphasized in its theme, adding that insurers and reinsurers across the continent have set their sights on sustainably financing climate change risks and supporting those most affected by its catastrophes. He said this comes after Africa suffered a number of natural catastrophes in recent years, which resulted in the loss of human and animal life. The 5-day conference was organized by the Namibia Reinsurance Corporation, Namibia, the Ministry of Finance and Public Enterprise, and the Ministry of Home Affairs, Immigration, Safety and Security, among other stakeholders.
The year also marks the 100th board meeting of the AIO, which Namibia is very proud to host. This event hopefully does not put only our country on the map for future conferences, but provide the opportune platform for local corporate leaders to build networks, to share lessons, and to deal with issues of climate change, the future of insurance, and the development of sustainable businesses. The organization promotes insurance education that is relevant to the African insurance markets and strengthens through leadership to be perceived as an advocate and center of competence for the African insurance industry.
During her address at the AIO conference, Namibian Prime Minister Sarah Kugongelwa-Amadila stated that the conference coincides with the declaration of a state of emergency over drought by the country's president a week ago. She said insurers need to partner with growing industries such as green hydrogen and the oil and gas sectors to foster responsive solutions for the toll the drought has taken on its victims.
Especially with the new industries that are coming, green hydrogen and oil, we are apparently about to become the largest depositors of oil in Southern Africa. We are no longer looking somewhere. It is right here. And we have to prepare ourselves to make sure that the impact of that will be felt here in Southern Africa first, and then in Africa, and then elsewhere. As the previous speaker said, with our small GDP as Namibia, this year we have provided close to 800 million rand just for 1 year to deal with the impact of the drought. And we have been dealing with this drought in one region for 7 consecutive years, because these farmers have nowhere else to look for support except the government. Some of them have lost more than 50% of their stock. It has taken its toll on the economy of Namibia, and we are desperately looking for innovative solutions to address this issue.
The AIO conference was sponsored by 40 insurance and finance stakeholders across the continent. The ceremony also included a handover of plaque awards to the platinum and diamond sponsors of the conference by the Prime Minister herself.